You need to prepare the following articles: a car creeper, a jack used for fixed the probe, full set of Bluetooth Ultrasonic Fuel Level Sensor, a pliers used for cut straps, portable battery used for find installation position. Then start to clean the tank. Use a cloth to clean the surface dust first. Then use sandpaper to clean again, make sure the surface is clean. Cleaning zone is following picture show. After cleaning the tank, power on fuel level sensor. Red cable connect to positive. Black cable connect to ground. Make sure green cable analog cable not touch to positive. Then connect probe to the cable. Make sure pins are alignment. When LED light is turned on, it means probe have getting power. Squeeze silicone gel on the probe, then finding installation position. At the meantime, you need to log in mobile app, observe fuel level and signal strength. When real-time and smooth value are stable and close to real height, signal strength is more than 30, valid signal quantity is stable, more than 30 LED light getting green, then you can install on this position, then mark this position. Suggest use curing time 4-5 minutes AB glue to install the sensor. Squeeze some glue and be glue on the probe. Then mix them around 1 minute. Finished mix glue, then install the probe on the marked position. Make sure the cable is in the same direction as wiring. After install on tank, you need to check data on mobile app again. If the signal data is good, then you can use the jack to fix the probe until AB glue getting solid. Use strap to fix the probe on tank. Then use the key to tighten the strap. When the strap is nearly tight, then put rubber pad between strap and tank to protect the tank from damage. Adjust the strap to completely tight. The last step is connect power. We suggest to get power from fuse box. Use a electroprobe to looking power on fuse box. Tight power plus cable together. Connect to the power. Connect GND cable to ground. Hidden these cables, then installation finished.